Once upon a time, in a land full of magic, numbers and letters lived in different worlds.
The numbers love to count, play, and dance under the bright sun. But one magical day, the Alphabet Friends arrived. In a magical world, the numbers love to play together every day.
They rolled, bounced, and laughed under the shining sun. But one day, some new friends appeared. The Alphabet Friends.
At first, the numbers weren't sure what to think.
But soon, they discovered they could be wonderful friends. Together, they created magical new combinations. Together, they created magical new combinations.
The puzzle needed both letters and numbers to solve.
3 shouted, "I know! Let's try the letter C."
Yes, the missing piece was C.
The numbers and letters solved their very first puzzle together. They were so proud of their teamwork. But then came a tricky math puzzle. Two plus 2 equals 4.
The puzzle board lit up with joy.
The next puzzle was a word puzzle.
Together, B and A made the sound B-A. But something was still missing.
That right, it was G.
They solved the puzzle. Bag G! But the next puzzle looked extra tricky. 1 and C joined forces.
And made something brand new. 1C. The puzzle was solved again. Teamwork wins.
More Alphabet Friends arrived to play.
And the number friends welcomed them with open arms.
Another challenge appeared. Five and F worked side by side.
Hooray! The answer was 5F.
Together, they were stronger, smarter, and happier than ever.
Together, the number friends and alphabet friends solved every puzzle so far.
They discovered that teamwork makes learning magical and fun.
And this is only the beginning. More adventures are waiting for our friends.